One lone wolf still standing there. Hear that echo through the midnight air. One lone wolf still standing there. Kev dog, there's a fire in the sky tonight, painting every shadow crimson bright. Boots in the dirt, heart beating wild. Still got the soul of a fearless child. Every scar tells a story true. I'm still standing, breaking through. The night's alive, I hear the call. No fear left inside these walls. I'm howling at the red moon, singing like the end is coming soon. Raise my hands, let the darkness bloom. I was born beneath that red moon. You can train my body, never my soul. The wild still lives where the wolves all roam. I'm howling at the red moon, and I ain't never coming home. Cold wind cuts like a sharpened blade, but I don't run from the mess I made. Every mile, every broken dream built the fighter that you now see. Your ashes fall, but I still rise with the fire reflected in my eyes. If tomorrow never comes my way, I'll leave my echo in the past to stay. Let every wolf know